Seagate is committed to enabling the circular economy by partnering with organizations who give our hard drives a second life. One example of this is Seagate's partnership with Solar for Schools Bildung. Founded in Munich, Germany in 2021, Solar for Schools Bildung focuses on combining solar energy with STEM education. This program teaches students how to build solar panel systems for hands-on learning with photovoltaic learning games and experiments. This program instills young students with the concept of responsible energy use by giving them hands-on experiments as they learn through step-by-step video tutorials. Solar for Schools Bildung uses refurbished Seagate Exos hard drives to store, backup, and archive these video assets. This program demonstrates our commitment to reducing e-waste and is a real-world example of Seagate's Circularity program in action. We're changing how we use and consume electronic storage devices by extending the life of our products so that we can do better by our customers and the planet. Together, we can build a more sustainable data sphere. Learn more at seagate.com/circularity.